Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the phone number works, send a test SMS or call it now. Next, sign into the Discord account displaying the error and record any recent security or recovery changes. Once done, make sure you have a backup contact ready, a verified email or an authenticator app, and ideally another phone number you control. These prerequisites let you proceed without delays, because Discord's verification flow requires reachable, unique contact points before you escalate or request an exception. You now attempt to free the number. Sign into any other Discord account that might use it and remove the phone in user settings, privacy and safety, then my account. If you control that account but forgot credentials, use password reset to regain access and unlink the number. This is faster than support. If the number is truly on an unknown account, gather evidence. Account ID, approximate creation dates, and screenshots. These items are what Discord support will ask for when you escalate the issue. Finally, file a Discord support ticket while signed out or from settings, select account recovery, and clearly state that the phone number is used by another account. Attach your proof of ownership and the evidence you collected. Ask explicitly for unlinking or review steps. Once submitted, check your email and be ready to respond. If progress stalls, try a different phone number temporarily, or wait 24 to 72 hours for backend updates. If nothing changes, reopen the ticket with the ticket ID and new details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.